If someone eats fallen food from a dish table, it's best for him if he picks it up and eats it again. So Allah will give your food to 7 generations if you do it. And He will also protect you from the 4 big diseases which are mentioned below, as Allah will remove your tension and stress. He will finish your craziness. He will finish leprosy, and all skin diseases will be healed. And hepatitis can be cured as well. It is quoted by Hazrat Jafar alayhi salam.
وعبقري حسان